YouTube again, and we're back for more Sleeping Dogs walkthrough part 3. Right, so we're gonna go do this mission. Previously we did a mission where we had to deliver some money to her. So yeah, we're gonna go do this mission and hope it goes well.
You shitting me? So what you do now?
Right, so we have to go talk to a guy called Ming. He's like a dude that hasn't given you your money. You have to ask one. Who the hell Ming is? Ask one. Right, okay. So that thing down at the bottom that just, oh my god, reminded me that I had a report on my phone. A new report on my phone. So I'm just gonna go ask this guy
Looking
for Ming. So he's just around the corner. He's chatting to a girl, I think. Yep, he's right there. He's chatting to a girl. See? He's over there, just chatting to a girl. And then, I don't know why he runs away from me. I don't even know. He doesn't even know who I am. He doesn't even know who I am, so why is he running away from me? Look, whoosh! This guy is horrible. He kills a person on this bridge. This guy right here. Ah!
Out of my way! Out of my way! Coming through!
So I'm just concentrating right here. He just like running away.
Oh shit!
Right, done that. And he pushes a guy at me right here, so I slow down. And then I'm like, climbing over the gates. And this is a fighting, yay. Fighting, I love fighting. Oof. Ow. Don't do that. I'm serious, that hurts. And this is kind of where it gets brutal. Look, again! Oh, again. I've done that like 3 times now. And this is not my favourite. So I just like doing that a lot. So here's where I just grab this guy, punch him once, grab him, throw him in a flipping dumpster. I'm guessing that's alright with him. So it's just funny where you throw him in a dumpster. Because it's like, when you throw a fat guy in the dumpster, he makes it shake and everything. So it's quite funny. Come on, dude. Dude, I wanna throw you somewhere. I seriously wanna throw you somewhere. Look, right here, that is my favourite. His legs still move, look. His legs still move, it's quite funny. Look, I have another one over there. I have a box there as well. So I'm gonna do the box as well. This guy's going to the box. Oh no, it's not a box, it's a fan. Okay. And that's where it's just brutal, complete brutal. And there's another one. I can just shove him in here because I have enough power. This guy's going to the electric. Whoosh! You've been dead. Right, he's going in the fan. Bang. Right, he's the only guy left. He's got a knife, so be careful with that knife. Because this guy's brutal with it. And don't try and do like 4 moves, because you will fail completely. Just do 3 moves and then a hold. See? I just punched him straight out his knife over there.
That guy's gonna kill you. Walkthough, guys. What's in on this?
Right, so I'm gonna skip that right now, because I want to get through this quite quickly. And I got a new home, yay! North Point apartment. So yeah. This is where he's just asleep. He's asleep and he wakes up having nightmares and everything, so yeah. I think I actually get a preset outfit here. I think I get one. No, I don't get a preset outfit. Okay, it doesn't matter. Have you noticed this thing is from Dead Rising 2. This top is from Dead Rising 2. So yeah, this is actually the funny thing, because I love this. You can go to the toilet. That's nice. Yeah. Right, hygiene is very good. Wash your hands, kids. Right, just wash your hands. Blah blah blah. Wash your face and everything. Then look at yourself in the mirror. And then turn it off. Open that. And we go outside. Look, these girls are just annoying, so I'm going to grab one, and I'm going to throw off the edge. And then an ambulance comes, and they don't even know about it. Hello. Ow. My home. Yeah, don't touch. Right, here's your garage, where it's just like, it is quite cool, because you get a bike at the start, a 270 DX. But this is a funny thing, because he pulls a hat from his butt. Right, I'm gonna do some stick-up delivery. And the bikes in this are quite fast, so be warned. Because that happens, stuff like that happens. Like, you come in front of a car and you don't know what to do. This is just a shortcut I like doing. I messed up there. I will say, like, this is quite hard driving, but since I've played the whole game, I've like gotten used to the driving and everything, so yeah, it's quite good. So, I think we're going in a van, probably. Yeah, we are. Okay. Right, I'm going to skip that. Right, what are we doing now? Right, we are driving to the warehouse.
I'm thinking I'm going to get a steady girlfriend. Oh, yeah? What do you think that you made? You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you? Yeah, but what? If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think about it so much? Relationship. I wouldn't really work with my life right now. Sure, it could. For me. Ah!
Right, if you hit another car like that, then, and, like, I'm doing it quite a lot. Right. So, if you hit something, you get -5 or -3 cop experience. So yeah, we are going to beat these guys up.
Come and get me.
Come on then. Right, come on. Come on. Come on. Ow. There's a dumpster right there which I am going to use. Very harshly. I'm going to use on this guy. Look. Oh. Do you know all the other environmental attacks like this one are quite brutal, but I just find the dumpster one very funny because I just don't understand why they would put that in there if it's not brutal. This one's quite brutal because it's got glass in it and everything. Right, come on, someone attack me. Oh, fine, you're getting smashed against the door. Go on again. Bang, bang, bang! Right, come on, come on. Sorry, mate. One punch and out. Right. So this guy just drives off like a complete noob. Some other guy, sorry, not this bit, another bit. Some other guy drives off and it's like, why? Why would you do that? Right, this guy's got a crowbar which you want to kind of take out like straight away. So I'm just going to throw this guy over the edge. See, like that. But sad thing is, they can't actually swim. So, ooh, that's kind of brutal. Just whacked his head on a freaking post. He's dead. These guys have got knives and everything, so I actually think that you wouldn't actually try and go near them. He just kicks you. Right, come on. Come on. Ow! Right, come on. Come on. I've got to kick this guy if he dies. Because I hate these knife guys. Right, broke his arm. Like a Swiss cheese. Ow, ow. There, I got it. Got him.
Watch should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, take it off good.
Right, so
go, man.
We're gonna have to actually catch this guy. We're gonna catch this guy in apparently a matter of 2 minutes. Because I only have 2 minutes of recording left. Right, I got him. Now I just have to get that guy. So come on, can I do this in 2 minutes? Take out the escort car. Oh, come on, 1 more minute. Yeah, I got him now. Got him now. Right. I got achievement. Right, come on! Get in! Come on, get in, get in, get in.
Hurry up, man, you're getting away!
Come on, please. Can I do this? Please.
Run him off the road! Shit!
Got him. Right. I'm gonna stop the video here. Thanks for watching and subscribe and like, please. Thank you for watching and